Hello, good morning. Ohayo gozaimasu guys. Time check is 8:10 a.m. So, dito ulit tayo sa Bulacan Sports Complex. Second day ng provincial meet. So, itong mga laro ngayon dito is quarter finals and semifinals, singles, and then after nitong singles is sisimulan na yung doubles mamaya. Siguro after lunch mag-start na ang doubles. So, yun. Yan, nagwa-warm up sila. Yan ang mga first game ngayong araw. Good morning, ma'am. So, ayun, player ng ginto. So, ayun guys, kita-kits tayo mamaya sa games. Punta lang ulit tayo dun sa bleacher. Okay, thank you, Bush. So, yun itong first court is semi-finals na pala to. Score dito is 7-6. Lamang itong nakablock. To all. Match point. Okay. Panalo po ang nakablock. Edistry yata ito. So yun, itong first court is semifinals na rin ng high school girls. And yung second court din, semifinals din ng high school girls. Group A and Group B yan. So yung mananalo dito sa Group A at sa Group B, papasok na sila ng finals, and then maghaharap sa gold medal ang Group A and Group B. Sino magka-champion sa Group A at saka sa Group B, paglalabanan pa yata para sa gold medalist. So yung third and fourth semifinals din ng LM Boys. Ayun na, huli na eh. Come on! Okay. 30-50. 15-30. Okay, match point.
Match po.
Out, out. All right.
Okay.
Woo! Final score is 8-4. Panalo po ang Libinto. So time check is 10 a.m. Start na yung doubles, high school, and high school girls. Start na rin ng doubles. Tapos yung mga singles natin is puro finals na. Siguro mamayang hapon na laruin yung mga finals. So okay, pati Ellen start na rin ng doubles. So tayo pa sa player natin. Okay.
Oh!
Announcing the finalists in athletics 200-meter run, secondary girls. Big number.
Nice! Woo!
I said
Oh, match point.
Lovely Mary Williams from Edit 6. Big number 297.
Sure mo na yan, pasok.
Lara Jane Kabira from Edit 4.
Wait lang, wait lang.
Big number 254. Clarice May de la Cruz from Elia. From Edit 5. Big number 3.
Okay! Oh, shake hand.
Castillo from Edit.
So, final score is 8-3. Panalo ang Edis 5. Shake hand, shake hand.
Sige, muna.
Cristal from Edit 1.
Time check, 11:20. So, last game ito ngayong morning. And mag-stop sila kasi ka mainit. Mag-resume ulit ng game mamayang 2 p.m. So, yun. Kita-kits ulit tayo mamaya. Uwi muna ako para mag-lunch. Okay, thank you. Arigatou gozaimasu. Kita-kits mamaya. Bye. Time check is 1:40. So, yun. Start na ulit ang laro. So, ang mga laro ngayon is puro semi-finals na. First, second, third, and fourth. And fourth court. Puro semi-finals ang laro. So, bukas ang finals. Kaya lang, hindi makapanood bukas. Wala ako dito. So, yan. Ito. First court. Umpisa lang.